Hello everyone, I'm Rainer Kaisan, Head of Innovation Networks. Welcome to this week's episode of Head Start, where we give you tips on how to make best use of intellectual property in your business strategy. For today's episode, let's start at the beginning. Imagine you are a small tech startup and you have an idea for a great new smart device and you believe it will be a hit product. But you have questions swirling around in your head. Is your product already on the market? And if it isn't, how can you be sure that no one will steal your idea? Is it worth to invest in developing, manufacturing and launching this product? You may think it's hard to find the answers, but help is just around the corner. And that's a network of Padlib centers. There are more than 300 Padlib centers across Europe, and they are your partners ready to help inventors, entrepreneurs, SMEs, startups and researchers in your own language. They offer patent database searches, patent filing advice, assessments of the commercial potential of your technology, and so much more. They can even help you define the best IP strategy for your business. So, what are you waiting for? Contact your local Padlib for help in navigating the world of intellectual property and turning your idea into protected, market-ready innovation. You can find your center by visiting epo.org/Padlib and clicking on Find Your Nearest Padlib Center.